Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. I received this today, two purchases that I made from Aliexpress. I actually don't know what's in it, so let's start and check it out, okay? This is just gonna be a small video because I only have this to share. Alright, okay, I kind of don't remember what these are, but I will take a look. She gave me a free bracelet, which is nice. Oh, alright. These are the tassels that I ordered. Yep. These are really pretty tassels. And I tell you, I would have a hard time making this one, so I just ordered them. So these are the tassels that I ordered. And they really look so pretty on keychains. Just like what I made from my other projects. Well, which I have not really shown yet. So, alright, so I got also some black for Halloween. More black, and this is the color. Okay, got that there. And we'll see this next one. You know what? AliExpress purchases are coming in pretty quick. Not unlike before. Oh! It came now! These are my bottle cup pieces from Ali, and it already came. It is pretty early, I tell you. Well, of course, this I learned from Happy Mail Queen. Thank you, Armin. Hi, Armin. Thank you so much. And also, I love what she made out of this. That's why I was really convinced that I must have those. So I got this color, and it comes in, I think this comes in 10 pieces. You got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, 10 pieces for every color. Isn't that pretty? It is so pretty. Just in time. So I got those color. And then, of course, I got 2 color blacks. Let me just show you the color black, how it looks like without the plastic. Oh! I didn't realize. Oh yeah, I also got 2 oranges, you know, in for Halloween. Yep. I got 2 oranges and 2 black. Look how pretty they are. See? And they're blings. And I got yellow. I wish the yellow should be a little bit brighter, but it's alright. The blings are really gorgeous. And okay, the purple is very pretty. I should have got 2, but anyway, that's fine. Because purple is also for Halloween. I got the color purple. See guys how beautiful they are. And I got color pink. Pink. And I got color green there. For these items, I'm gonna share the link below, so check the description box, and I'll be including the links so that you could, if you want to purchase some, you'll know where to find them. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll be coming back soon. You have a great day. Bye.